Tired of hunting down your favorite eBay sellers every time? Save them in one click and never lose track again. Here's exactly how to save a seller on eBay in just a few simple steps. So first things first, let's get eBay open. Fire up your browser and head on over to ebay.com. Pretty straightforward, right? This is where the magic starts. Now, if you're not already signed in, you're going to want to do that next. Click the Sign In button in the top left corner and enter your email and password. I know it feels obvious, but this is the step that actually makes saving a seller possible. eBay needs to know it's you so it can keep track of who you're saving. Alright, so once you're logged in, you need to find a seller to save. Search for an item that you know one of your favorite sellers has listed. It could be anything: a vintage camera, a pair of sneakers, a hard-to-find book, whatever you're into. The point is, you need their listing to pop up so we can get to their profile. Go ahead and click on that listing to open it up. This is the item's full listing page where you can see all the details, the photos, the price, and most importantly for us, the seller's information. And here's the really important part. Look for the seller's username. It's usually up near the top of the page, right under the item title or off to the side. Go ahead and click on that username. That's going to take you directly to their seller profile page, which is where we need to be. Now, once you're on their profile, you'll see a button that says Save This Seller. It's usually pretty easy to spot. Just look toward the top of their profile page, near their name and feedback score. Click that button. It might give you a quick confirmation, like a little pop-up that says the seller has been saved. And then, you wait just a moment for eBay to process it. Usually it's almost instant, but sometimes if your connection is a little slow, it might take a second. You'll see some kind of confirmation. Maybe the button changes to say saved, or a little check mark appears. That's your signal that it worked. And that's it. You're done. From now on, that seller is saved in your account. You can find them anytime you want by going to your account settings or your saved sellers list. No more typing their name into the search bar every single time. I've been using eBay for years, and honestly, this is one of those features that just makes life so much easier once you know it's there. Give it a try on your next favorite seller, and you'll wonder why you didn't do it sooner. Happy shopping!